Hello guys and welcome to today's video. So the video will be about Zoho CRM. Zoho CRM is a powerful customer relationship management software that is designed to help businesses of all sizes to manage their customers' interactions and improve their sales processes. It offers a wide range of features such as lead and contact management, sales forecasting, pipeline management, and marketing automation, all of which can help businesses streamline their sales processes and improve their customers' relationship. So after heading to the website Zoho CRM, zoho.com/CRM, here we have features, prices, the solution, the customers, the resource, and the bulletin. So to get started, let's put your first name, your email address. So let's find our email address. Where did I put it? Here we have the password and the phone number, and then you agree to the terms and services. Then click on get started. So on your way to Zoho CRM. So one of the benefits of Zoho CRM is that it is highly customizable, allowing businesses to tailor the software to meet their specific needs. It also integrates with a variety of other tools and services like such as email marketing platform and social media platforms, which can help businesses streamline their marketing efforts. So here we have the company name, and I don't have a company, so this again will be Madara. Sorry if any company here have this name, because I'm stealing it from now, and yes, they can pay to get it back. Where would you like to start? Complete simple data population. I want to make a tour of Zoho CRM. Show me the how to migrate my data. So I have the choice. I can skip. Let's take a tour. Track all of your leads here. Follow up and qualify. Convert and win. Now how you are performing. Take me in. So overall, Zoho CRM is a comprehensive and flexible tool that can help businesses improve their sales process and customer relationship. However, it may require some time and effort to set up and fully utilize all of the features. So day after day, you will learn something new. I will show you the basic settings and others. So here have my Apple deals, my untouched deals, my call today, and my leads. We have here the lists and the statistics. Those are just some example, I think. So here's the home, the classic view. Here we have the manager's home, customize homepage. Here we have create menu. No, let's start from here. We have the home, the leads, the contacts, services, projects, other models, account, deals, goals, tasks, meetings, reports, analytics, products, codes, sales, products, purchases, and others. Here, create a menu. Here, search, signals, and notifications, the calendar, the marketplace, and the settings, the profile, and here, the Zoho CRM, CRM Plus, Marketing Plus, and others. So let's head to the setup and settings. So we have the general settings, personal information, company detail, calendar booking, and motivation. Motivation. Here we have the profile, the local information, the display name, the team. You can here choose one of the colors. The team will change. Here we have the company detail. We have, I can delete your account from here. We have the calendar booking. We have the motivator. We have the user and control, the user's security control, and others. We have here the marketplace and Zia. What's Zia? So here the notification, conversational, artificial intelligence, and others. Let's head back to home. And here we have the trial and plans. Let's see the subscriptions. So while waiting, don't forget to like and subscribe. We account not confirmed. Please confirm your account before upgrading to paid subscriptions. I will confirm my account, then I will go back to see the subscriptions and others. Here we have email, my email compose settings. Here we have the email. Hope the verification is here. Nope, I don't think so. Let's head back to the settings and scroll down. We have, so how to verify your account is the most important question now. Very email deliverability. We don't have email verification. How do you want me to verify my email if there isn't any verification? So let's head to it from another way. And sorry for being late. Please confirm your account. So now we went from Zoho CRM to Zoho.com. And let's see what we have here. Sorry, I don't think I found the verification. Here we have the email verification settings. You so verify your account. Click verify now. You will have an email address in your Gmail account, or depend on where you created your account, and click on it, click verify, and that's it. Now you can upgrade, you can see plans, you can use your Zoho CRM account, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.